Ui hebret chenrang ubadang hanyos nam ka arta balatip kerteng da ukershan bor karmudai ubashong basa hanong rak blok fo lummerbo ulaja menhenien kesengi ha kapor Henry ubaja nakayeng sa kajong u Minta kesengi ke kandai terik risau lalap no ekamediap jong ni hebret ha kaklau ha maupan Hagabagani ke jingjia kala pensuk yang kreat iki briew baroh ha ketiga tan hadin ke jingjia hebret insa piraling dok maunai hakini ki khandiat tayo ki balalet no Henry menta la jak sau niu hebret balalap no ekamediap ke jong u na maupan Hagajinglet jurep superintendent of police ke East Khasa Hills uba Vivek em Ulaong makidak kishen jong kani ke jingjia kadei ke jingsha pyniap dusmon ha ki briew bad ulaong ru ba ensa thau ya ka special investigation team ban tohkit bat wat banyak bha ya kani ka kam USP ulapan pau bakani ke jingjia kalapan khuslai ki pat ba bat ula kerpat iki kimi ki pa bakin long ki bahusiar bha ki khun ki jongki bat ula kerpat ru iki nong chong snong bakin bu no da ki CCTV hakmat jongki yeng ki sam ki jongki ya kamet jong niu khana la pha no shanigrams hospital ban le ka postmortem kat baki pulet ki dang teng ki jing token
Oi. Oi. Tiap singam. Bentang mati. Hah?
Boy of a 7-year-old boy who went missing from Lumarbo, Nongra, and all teams are here. CSU, FSL from Nongmansong, Maudiang Liang, SP's office, special cell, all here in the PO. It is a confirmed case of homicide. We will be registering a case and investigating on the matter.
Was there any mark in his body that points toward being a murder?
Yes, I said this. I said this. All indications of it being a homicide. Postmortem will give a clearer picture of the kind of injury. From then on, we will be able to proceed with our investigation.
How do you see it? Is it a coincidence that two missing case now would want to be done? Is it a coincidence or murder or anything?
I don't. Right now, I cannot see a connection. It could be an isolated case because the accused of the first case has already been ascertained and identified. But nonetheless, we will actually investigate and find out everything into the matter.
Will the SIT investigate into this also?
We will sit down and this also will warrant the requirement of an SIT because it is a child who's been murdered, and an SIT where many expertise are there, many officers are involved, has always borne fruit. So there's all likelihood of an SIT being formed.
How would you view this incident has created concerns among citizens? How do you view this situation?
See, it is a matter of concern. It pains all of us, and from such incidents, we should draw lessons that we should number one, children have to be looked after upon, monitored. Number two is that we should take precautionary measures of having CCTVs, lighting in the area, children loitering around. Somebody should, be it from local stakeholders or anybody, should actually see that a child who actually is moving around, inform 112, which is our emergency number, so that we can take necessary action, take them to childline and all that, identify the parents or guardians.
One last question. During your family's function, was the murder committed at him or the body was done?
We can't say, but by the look of it, I think the body was placed out.